Hey guys, I'm just sharing more insight on the last video that I made about letting go and just whatever. I think it's too much abstract what I have said. I have missed some points with that. I just want to clarify. Like for example, you are doing game. It's like something that is gonna improve you, and statistically it's gonna improve your social skill. You are taking up your like fear, and you are going out there and you are just facing your fear and you are challenging it and you are just growing. You're not doing anything wrong, like rape or something like that. That's very wrong and stuff like that. But you are doing the stuff which is like very, it's like pushing your limits, and you are just very polite. You are very social and just like that. For example, and for example, if few people have pain in that, like they can't do it, they have like some self-attachment or whatever shit they have. They feel like, for me it's like, no, I feel weird that I'm just whatever I'm doing, the people gonna judge me, what they're gonna look at me, and I'm just taking her time and space, stuff like that. It challenges you, and what happens then when you push through the challenge, you just fucking go. And in life, like life, this happens to every aspect of your life. For example, if you're doing any business or stuff like that, you're gonna face challenge. If you are doing any art kind of work or any creative work, this is gonna happen. Like for example, if you are doing any drawing or if you're singing, then it's gonna have your downtime, uptime, stuff like that. For example, if you're playing, then you're gonna have your what do we say, not so good time, not so bad time. And if you just stay present, like you let it come, the pain will be there. I'm not saying pain will not be there, but if you stay present, then what happens, it just gives you a tool to just grow yourself, grow into your pain. You will not feel like pain that much, but you will definitely feel pain in you, but it's not like too much. Like, I mean, when you just stay present to it, just kind of vanishes, but you just get a power to go through. And if you just go through it once, then it becomes easier, and second time, third time, and stuff like that happen. So this was my point, and I kind of led into a point of how to let go. Is that you have to let go of that desire of pain. For example, we have like when we are small, we get punished for the bad stuff which we do, and we kind of relate about whatever we are doing. If it's a bad one, we just relate that to the punishment or pain. We don't feel the pain, we don't feel that we are justified. But we have to just let go of that. I mean, I just one aspect, but you can just let go of a person if someone has done wrong to you. You can just, if you just let go of a person if someone has rejected you, that's very massive, and that's, people kind of take, like they kind of attach their personality to it. I kind of do, and I have seen a lot of people do. They kind of attach their self-image. And for example, for me, I'm like a hard-paced in game, and I also feel that I've sometimes lack very basic skills. Although I have my skills improved like tremendously in my 3-4 years. I have few friends, they got very good results in short time, and they don't see value in this. They might see value in something else, and they might see pain in that. And I have seen few of my friends that they see the pain, they don't wanna face the pain. They know the pain is there, they don't wanna face it, and they just kind of don't say present, they just kind of get distracted with any of, like I said, drugs and alcohol, stuff like that happens. But I have seen that in this world. But when you just stay present, you just let the pain come through you, and let the pain harm whatever it's gonna do. Like you're gonna feel bad, you're gonna have bad emotions, whatever it's gonna do, like let it do. But when you just stay present, it just vanishes, and it just you just get strength, you just power through. Like right now, I don't feel any. I feel anxiety. I definitely feel anxiety. I feel anxious, but I have the systems and I have the experience to just push it through. And you have to find your thing which works like that. So that was my point. You have to let go. You have to let go of other person. You have to let go of emotion. You have to let go of any desire. I mean, this life has to be like it has to be outcoming, but you have to let go of the outcome also at some extent. You have to just flow with the life, and then when you flow with the life, the outcome anyway comes to. Like for example, if you want that girl, or you want that happy feeling, you just let go of that outcome. What happens that you feel happy in the process that you are doing. Like you have to attach somewhere. Like you can't be like you can't be like this meditating. You can't go to jungle or stuff like that. So like you have to execute. You have to go out there. You have to execute. You have to show emotion. You have to get connected, you have to feel it. But if it doesn't work out, then you have to just detach. That's like, you kind of attach. You kind of attaching, but it's at any point in time you're gonna decide detach. You just can decide that like that. So that was my point from that video. But I see a lot of people can do that. They get attached. The other like few people, they don't want to get attached. They they feel they have some bad emotion to it and they just don't want to try. That's a bullshit. People just get attached. It's like a very good state. But better state, you can just stay attached, but you can also stay detached when the things are not working in your way. And that kind of what my point was with the last video. I mean, it's kind of abstract, but it's kind of good also. And I can see that my throat has been good, but my tongue has not been good. So that's why my speech is like a little bit different. But yeah, it kind of happened. And it's gonna like bullshit gonna happen anyway. Just if you like, it's gonna happen. If you're just ascending, if you're just going up in your life, you're just I mean, going up in your life also means that you are consistent with something. If you're consistent with something, that thing is gonna find you. It's gonna definitely gonna find you. You just stay at that, like you just stay present to it. Just let it come, let it go, and you can practice this detachment by staying like doing meditation. In meditation, you don't stay attached to your thought. Like you just keep doing it for like 6 months or 1 year or 2 3 years. Then after the point, you just realize that that's a bullshit. Like let's say starting you're doing bad, or you're starting you're not doing that good. After a while, you'll be like, this bullshit. Like everything, every emotion is bullshit, and you just kind of get mature and you kind of good at it. Like you just kind of like progress in your journey. And that kind of happens in meditation, that kind of happens in game also. But you have to fucking stay, you have to stay on the course of that journey. And that was to my point of the last video that I made. Anyway, I'm just gonna end this video now. I hope you like this video. Please do like, share, and subscribe, and see you next one. Bye. Next tonight.